15 Vital Tips for Successful Software Programming in C#. Hello, fellow programmers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you: 15 Vital Tips for Successful Software Programming in C#. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these tips will help you write cleaner, more efficient, and more maintainable C# code. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Understand the basics of C#. Before we start writing complex code, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the basics. Familiarize yourself with data types, variables, loops, and conditional statements. This foundational knowledge will serve as the building blocks for your programming journey. Tip 2. Follow meaningful naming conventions. Choosing meaningful and descriptive names for your variables, classes, and methods makes your code more readable and understandable. Avoid single-letter names and opt for names that convey the purpose of the element. Tip 3. Use object-oriented principles, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. C# is an object-oriented language, so embrace concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. This promotes code reusability, maintainability, and easier debugging. Tip 4. Modularize your code with methods. Divide and conquer. Break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable methods. This promotes code organization and readability, and it's easier to identify and fix issues. Tip 5. Leverage libraries and NuGet packages. Why reinvent the wheel? Utilize existing libraries and NuGet packages to save time and effort. These packages offer pre-built solutions to common problems, allowing you to focus on your unique challenges. Tip 6. Exception handling is crucial. Try catch blocks and handling exceptions. Bugs are inevitable, but how you handle them matters. Implement proper exception handling using try-catch blocks. This prevents crashes and provides better user experiences. Tip 7. Version control with Git. Basic Git workflow. Collaboration and code management become seamless with Git. Version control helps you track changes, collaborate with team members, and revert to previous states if needed. Tip 8. Optimize performance. Code optimization techniques. Writing efficient code is essential. Avoid unnecessary loops, optimize memory usage, and use appropriate data structures. Profiling tools can help identify bottlenecks. Tip 9. Stay updated with C# features. Mentioning C# language updates. C# evolves over time, introducing new features and enhancements. Stay updated with the latest releases to leverage new capabilities and improve your coding practices. Tip 10. Comment and document your code. Clear comments and documentation make your code understandable to others, including your future self. Explain complex logic, assumptions, and any gotchas. Tip 11. Test-driven development, TDD. TDD is a fantastic approach. Write tests before writing code to ensure your code meets requirements and remains robust through future changes. Tip 12. Debugging like a pro. Debugging tools and techniques. Effective debugging is an art. Familiarize yourself with debugging tools, breakpoints, watches, and stack traces to identify and squash those bugs. Tip 13. Continuously refactor your code. Code refactoring. Code isn't static. As your project evolves, refactor your code to improve its structure, readability, and maintainability. This prevents technical debt from piling up. Tip 14. Secure your code. Security should be a top priority. Protect sensitive data, avoid common vulnerabilities, and follow best practices to ensure your software is robust and safe. Tip 15. Keep learning and experimenting. Last but not least, the programming world is always evolving. Keep learning, experiment with new techniques, and challenge yourself to become a better C# developer. There you have it: 15 vital tips for successful software programming in C#. By following these tips, you'll write cleaner, more efficient, and more maintainable code. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep coding and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, at the Curiosity Lab, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy coding!